Hello, I'm Alan. I'm a site manager for Excalon, working on a project for Tata Chemicals Europe, installing a 132 kV cable and fibre system to connect their GIS substation. We've currently installed over 10 kilometres of cable along various routes, and we're now at the final stage of doing the terminations, installing final ends of cables, and the task we're undertaking today is installing cables at one of the towers, the pylons, which will eventually be connected to the network to give power to the new substation. And thanks very much for your time.